Daddy, I love you. Happy birthday. I made this music video. Remember the time you made a music video for me when I was a baby? I love you. Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, times forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me close until your eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul. And it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you. And it's the only thing we'll take with us when we die. We keep this love in photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, times forever frozen still. So you can keep inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me close until your eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt, that's okay, baby. All your words cling inside these pages. You just hold me, and I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home. Wait for me to come home. Wait for me to come home. Wait for me to come home.
Happy birthday, Bunso! I love you! Kumusta na yung bunso ko dyan? Ingat kayo lagi dyan! Sana makabalik ako ulit! Agisa mo kami nag-cake dito. Ay!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ne.
Happy birthday today!
Love you.
Life begins
Amazing.
at 40.
Oh, 40.
Oo.
Wow.
Tanda ka na pala rin eh. Katulad namin. Pero okay lang. Mukhang bata ka naman. Mama, chup chup. Happy
Mama,
birthday
happy
ulit.
birthday.
Enjoy.
Enjoy your day.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Tuning! Ingat kayo lagi!
Happy birthday, Tony. Ingat palagi. God bless you.
Happy
birthday, Tito Tune. More birthdays to come.
We
Love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tito Tony. Thank you and God bless. Ingat po kayo palagi.
Happy birthday, Bunso!
Happy birthday,
Happy
Tony!
birthday.
Happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
Hello Bunso, happy birthday! Naalala mo pa ba to? Nakaangkas ka lagi kay tatay pag namamasada siya ng tricycle. Tapos may prepare na pandesal. Ngayon, 40 years old ka na. Happy birthday to ne. You have many more birthdays to come. Good health. I love you.
Happy birthday po, Tito Tone. We wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Ingat po.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Ang prayers ko, mas maging malusog, masaya, mula sa aking puso, isang maligayang, payapang kaarawan. Salamat sa lahat. Ikaw ang biyaya. Pagpalain ka pa ng Panginoon. Salamat. Bunsoy. Happy birthday again.
Tito Tune ka mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po, Tito Tone. Ingat po kayo palagi. Enjoy your day.
We love you.
Happy 40th birthday, Tito Tune. Thank you sa pagkukup sa amin dito sa Abu Dhabi, sa pag-iintindi.
Happy birthday din po. Maraming salamat po sa naitulong niyo sa amin. Lalo't nag-uumpisa pa lang po kami dito sa UAE. More birthdays to come and sana i-bless pa po kayo ni Lord.
Lalo pa po sana kayo bless ni Lord.
Kasi alam po namin na marami po kayong matutulungan.
Antoy, shut lang!
Hello Tone, happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life at saka happiness, good health, and sana tuloy-tuloy lagi ang blessings. At sana meron ng baby boy next year. Okay.
Happy birthday, Belle. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Tito Tone. Ingat palagi. God bless you. Shut na.
Happy birthday, Lolo Tone. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tune. More birthdays to come. Ingat ka palagi. We love you. We miss you. Love, Ching family.
Yay! We love you! Hello Tone, happy birthday! Ang masasabi ko kay Tone, bilang isang kapatid, napakabait niyan. Marunong mag-budget, napasama na rin ako sa kanya sa Abu Dhabi. Hindi ko nga akalain na isasama niya ako dyan. Napaka saya ko na ang maka-abroad dahil sa kanya, nakapasyal. Kaya proud ako para sa kanya na bilang isang kapatid. Salamat sa lahat na tulong mo sa aming pamilya. Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana sa araw ng kaarawan mo, masaya ka. Tumi, salamat sa lahat. Okay, bye-bye. Love you.
Hi, Tito Tone. Ninong. Sana makauwi ka sa kasal. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday
Wish
po.
you good health and more birthdays to come.
God bless po.
Ingat.
Anthony, happy birthday. Masasabi ko sa'yo, sobrang bait mo sa amin. Saka pala, ingat ka palagi dyan, lalo na sa pagdadrive. Yun lang, happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday po, Tito Tony. Wishing you a healthy and fantastic life filled with love, joy, and unforgettable moments. Take care po always. Have a great birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Tone. Take care always po. God bless. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anthony. Happy birthday to you. Happy, happy birthday from all of us to you. Happy, happy birthday. May all your dreams come true. Hey! Happy birthday, Anthony. Thinking of you today on your special day. Hope it's awesome.
Happy birthday, and I wish you good health, more birthdays to come, and good fortune.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Anthony Tune. Welcome to the 40s Club. Enjoy your 40th birthday. More blessings to come. And stay healthy as always. I love you. Mwah.
Hello today. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday dito, Anthony. Ingat kayo palagi. Love you.
Happy birthday, Anthony. Sa pinakamabait kong pinsan. Sana huwag kang magbago. Marami pang birthday na dumating. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy
Happy birthday, Kuya Anthony! Continue for being mabait and thoughtful and pagiging matulungin and maalalahanin to everyone. Thank you.
Happy
More
na.
birthdays to come.
Happy na birthday ba?
Anthony, happy birthday. 40 na tayo. Just stay healthy and more blessings to come. Tapos next time, isama nyo naman kami sa mga travel plans ni Ange. Yun, basta ingat kayo dyan lagi. Kita kayo ulit sa next na travel nyo ulit. Okay? Alright, ingat.
Happy 40th birthday, Anthony! Pasyamla! 40 la!
Bro, Anthony, the fellas, happy 40th birthday pare. May you have more birthdays to come. More blessings pare. Alam ko, masayang-masaya ka sa pamilya mo and kung anong mang meron ka ngayon. Again, happy birthday bro. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Pre, happy 40th birthday. More blessings to come at saka good health.
Happy birthday, paring Tonyo. Wishing you all the best in life and keep what you doing, no? Yung good health mo lagi. See you soon, bro.
Yeah, happy birthday, pare. More blessings.
Peace. Happy birthday kay Anthony. All the best. Toy, kabi ka na lang matay.
Hi Dov, happy birthday! It's your big day now. I wish you all the best, all the success, and of course, good health and more travels with family, with Ange and AC, and with your friends as well. I hope to see you soon again and, have travels and more fun.
Happy birthday, Doc!
Isasaya pa ba kami? Meron pa. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Doc! Happy 40th. Hindi tayo bumabata, pre. So, susunod na rin kami niyan. We wish you all the best sa mga more adventures natin, mga more serious at saka mga fun decisions na kailangan natin gawin, be it sa travel, mga decisions sa buhay. No, kahit naman hindi tayo lagi-lagi nag-uusap ng blow by blow every day. Diba? Alam natin kung paano tawagan ang isa't isa. At yun, isang katok lang, isang tawag lang. Alam mo naman yun. Happy birthday.
Minsan nga hindi kayo nagpapasabi. Dito na kayo eh.
Oo.
More dreams.
More dreams, more ambitions, more fun, more blessings to come. Happy birthday, friend. God bless.
God bless.
So, Kuya Rob, happy birthday. I wish you all the best because you deserve all the blessings na tinatamasa mo sa buhay. Continue as an inspiration and yeah, Happy birthday! Let's enjoy it!
Happy birthday, Dom!
Happy birthday, Tito Dom! God bless you always. Enjoy your day.
Hi! Happy birthday, Dov! Wishing you good health, long life, and God bless.
Happy birthday, Dom!
Happy birthday to you. Ninang Dom, I wish you good health. I wish you a good life. I wish you more good years. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dom! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, boss! Wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, Bro Doc! 40 ka na pala, pero hindi halata, still looking young and in love to Sis Ange. Salamat dahil lagi kaming kasama sa mga special occasion yung pamilya at hindi nyo kami nalilimutan. At ganun din kami sa inyo. We love you guys and see you soon!
Ika nga this new chapter ng buhay mo, may you have more adventures together with Sis Ange and AC. At lagi kaming nagpipray sa inyo na you have continuous blessings sa lahat ng aspects ng buhay niyo. God bless, bro, and happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday! We love you!
Love you.
Happy birthday, you are
Happy birthday, Anthony! We love you from Kansas City!
Anthony, happy birthday, dear. Wish ko na umaba pa ang buhay mo para mas marami ka pang matulungan at ipagpatuloy mo lang ang kabaitan mo at sa pamilya mo. Alam ko, napakabait mo sa mag-ina mo. Sa akin, lalo na sa akin, palagi kami the rescue. Thank you and happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Anthony!
Thank you sa lahat ng mga naitulong mo sa amin. Alam mo, napakabait mong manugang, mapagbiro, kaya lang minsan inaasar nyo. Pero okay lang yun.
Happy birthday! Tuning, maraming salamat sa nagawa mo kay Lolo at sa akin. Hindi ko malilimutan yun. Ang bait mo. Katsaga mo kay Lolo nag-alaga. Kaya maraming salamat. Happy birthday!
Thank you so much!
God bless you all.
Thank you, Anthony, sa regalo.
Ikaw, tatay.
Thank you, Anthony.
Oh.
Thank you.
Ang babait ninyo, Oh. Sige,
Isa
tapos
pa.
si Baba na.
Ang babait ninyo, binigyan niyo ako ng
Oh, smile muna.
Daddy, this is for you.
Tell me, what's your message for Daddy?
Daddy, happy birthday. I love you very much.
And what else? What do you wish for him?
I wish to have good health, and I wish for you to have a good life. Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you. Mwah.
Hi Pangs! Happy amazing 40! 40 ka na. Message ko lang sa'yo is I feel so incredibly blessed to have you as my husband and to be with you in this journey of life. Alam mo, sobrang spoiled kami sa'yo ni Amara. You as my husband and as Amara's father, we feel so fortunate to have you. Lahat ng pwede mo ibibigay mo sa amin. That's how generous your heart is. And para sa akin, whenever I wake up beside you every day, I consider that as a gift. Totoo. I just feel so grateful for your love and your presence in my life. Kaya naman today, all I want is for you to feel how loved you are and how much everybody appreciates you, how they perceive you. You are such a good person with a very good heart. Ayun lang. Here's to celebrating all the wonderful memories we've made together with our family, our friends, and Amara. I love you. Happy, happy birthday.
Necklace you bought when you were 16, next to your heartbeat where I should be. Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt, but that's okay, baby. Only words, please. Inside these pages, you just hold me, and I won't ever let you go. When I'm away, I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone. Wait for me to come home. Anak ko,